This weekend, tomorrow we going to Biloxi. So
Right.
I'm gonna leave a day early. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna leave Memphis.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna stop in Red Bank, Tupelo. I'm gonna hit all them areas where the truck stops at.
Right.
Before I even get to Biloxi now, I made $500, $700.
Mm-hmm.
Cause I got shoes and merch and CDs too. So that's 700 for Friday now. When I get to Biloxi, it depends how I'm feeling. If I feel like hustling, I'm a hustle to go and get that 1,000. But if I'm
Mm-hmm.
lazy, I'll settle for the 700.